It'll shoot your eye out. Anyway, thought you guys might wanna hear what the difference between a linear and logarithmic pot would sound like, an audio versus linear pot for some of you other guys. So check it out. Let's warm up the old signal tracer. We're going to use this just as an amplifier. Plus it looks super cool. And we're going to use this leader function generator to demonstrate the value of having a signal that sweeps. So let's get this going. You could probably hear it going already. The linear signal, as you can hear, is very even. Let's do that. That's a little less annoying, huh? All right. Then we have logarithmic. Let's get the rate down. Difference is incredibly stark. This is what your potentiometers are doing. You'll get most of the impact along, the beginning or latter half of the potentiometer's travel. With the logarithmic or audio setting or type. And then for the linear, it's incredibly linear. The entire travel of the potentiometer. Pretty simple. Maybe we'll fire up the oscilloscope so you can see what that looks like too. Here we go with your logarithmic taper. See that? And linear. See? Very even and linear.